What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight we're going to be heading over to the old meat spot for Street Elegance birthday meat. So we're gonna go ahead, link up with some of the homies. Some of them, I don't know. We actually had one, not last weekend. I think it was the weekend before last. I don't know. These weeks are starting to blend together. But we did have one. I didn't finish the video for that one. I didn't really record enough to really do a full video, so I still got the footage. I might see what I can do with it, but for now it probably won't come out. But tonight we're gonna go ahead and get straight to it. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there.